We begin with lean protein, a critical component for muscle health and development. Lean protein sources such as chicken breast, turkey, fish, legumes, and tofu provide the necessary building blocks for muscle repair and growth. These proteins are low in saturated fat, making them an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their leg strength without compromising overall health. When we engage in physical activities, especially those that target the legs, our muscles experience tiny tears that need to be repaired. This is where protein comes into play. It aids in the recovery process by providing amino acids that help rebuild and strengthen muscle fibers. To effectively incorporate lean protein into your daily meals, consider adding grilled chicken or turkey to salads, using tofu in stir-fries, or including fish in your weekly meal prep. Additionally, snacks like Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts can also contribute to your protein intake. By making lean protein a staple in your diet, you can support your leg strength and overall muscle health, paving the way for improved mobility and physical performance. Calcium and vitamin D play pivotal roles in maintaining bone health, which is essential for overall mobility and strength, particularly in the legs. Calcium is a vital mineral that helps build and maintain strong bones, and it can be found in various food sources. Dairy products like milk and cheese are excellent sources of calcium, while leafy greens such as kale and broccoli also provide significant amounts. Additionally, fortified foods such as certain cereals and plant-based milk alternatives can help boost calcium intake. However, calcium alone is not enough. Vitamin D is crucial for ensuring that calcium is effectively absorbed in the body. It enhances calcium absorption in the intestines and helps maintain bone density, reducing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. To support your vitamin D levels, it is important to get adequate sunlight exposure, as our bodies naturally produce vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight. For those who may not get enough sun, incorporating fortified foods into your diet, such as fortified orange juice or yogurt, can also help. By focusing on both calcium and vitamin D, you can significantly contribute to your bone health, ensuring that your legs remain strong and functional throughout your life. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for promoting joint health and comfort, making them a crucial addition to your diet, especially for those looking to enhance leg strength and mobility. These healthy fats can be found in various food sources, with salmon, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds being among the richest. Salmon in particular is not only a delicious option, but also packed with omega-3s that can help reduce inflammation in the body. This anti-inflammatory property is vital for joint health, as it can alleviate discomfort and stiffness, allowing for greater ease of movement and improved physical performance. Incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your meals can be both enjoyable and beneficial. For instance, you might consider grilling salmon for dinner, adding walnuts to your morning oatmeal, or blending chia seeds into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Additionally, creating a salad topped with flaxseed oil or including a handful of walnuts as a snack can further enhance your omega-3 intake. By prioritizing omega-3 fatty acids in your diet, you can support joint health, reduce inflammation, and ultimately improve your overall mobility and leg strength. In addition to dietary improvements, small lifestyle changes can significantly enhance your leg strength and overall health. One of the most effective changes is to encourage regular physical activity, which can include simple activities like walking and stretching. Incorporating a daily walk not only strengthens the legs, but also improves cardiovascular health and boosts mood. Stretching is equally important, as it enhances flexibility and helps prevent injuries, allowing for better mobility and function in daily activities. Another crucial aspect to consider is hydration. Staying well hydrated is vital for optimal muscle function, as water helps transport nutrients to your muscles and aids in recovery after exercise. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after physical activities. Additionally, tracking your progress can be a powerful motivator. Keeping a journal of your physical activities, dietary changes, and how you feel can help you identify what works best for you. Making gradual changes rather than drastic shifts ensures sustainability, allowing you to build healthy habits over time. By integrating these small lifestyle changes alongside your dietary improvements, you can create a holistic approach to enhancing your leg strength and overall well-being. Identifying common dietary pitfalls is essential for maintaining optimal leg health and overall well-being. One significant concern is high sodium intake. which can lead to increased blood pressure and fluid retention. This can result in swelling and discomfort in the legs, making it harder to stay active and maintain mobility. It's crucial to be aware of sodium levels in processed foods, as they often contain hidden salts that can contribute to excessive intake. Alongside sodium, proper hydration plays a vital role in muscle function and recovery. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue, hindering your ability to engage in physical activities that strengthen the legs. Additionally, avoiding sugary foods is important, as high sugar consumption can lead to weight gain and inflammation, both of which can negatively impact leg health. Encouraging viewers to be mindful of their food choices and portion sizes is essential for fostering a healthier diet. By opting for whole, nutrient-dense foods and being conscious of how much they consume, individuals can better support their leg strength and overall health. Making these mindful choices can help mitigate the risks associated with dietary pitfalls, leading to improved mobility and enhanced quality of life. In summary, this video has highlighted the essential nutrients that play a crucial role in enhancing leg health, specifically focusing on lean protein, calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. Lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, and tofu are vital for muscle repair and growth, while calcium and vitamin D work together to maintain strong bones and support overall mobility. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon and walnuts, provide anti-inflammatory benefits that contribute to joint comfort and health. We encourage viewers to take actionable steps towards improving their leg health by incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into their diets, staying active through regular physical activity, and being mindful of their overall dietary choices. By making these changes, you can significantly enhance your leg strength and mobility. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from these health tips. Together, we can promote better leg health and overall well-being for everyone. Thank you for watching.